Hi, I'm Wes from Wes Ward Auto Repair at 1193 Portland Street in St. Johnsbury, Vermont. I'm here to talk to you today about gasoline and the differences in the octanes. If you're not sure what your car takes for gasoline, it's going to be in your owner's manual. A lot of cars will have a tag right on the gas door that tells what the requirement is for your particular vehicle. If you're not sure, again, look in the owner's manual. There's a lot of information in there about the different kinds of gas. One of the things that we see here at Wes Ward Auto Repair is people putting the incorrect gasoline in their car, and it causes problems. It can turn the check engine light on. It will create codes in the computer system such as misfire or lean condition codes. Eventually you will have problems with the oxygen sensors and the catalytic converters if you continue to run the improper gas in your vehicle. A lot of cars take a 91 octane fuel. 91 octane has detergents in it that will keep your engine clean from the inside. We've all heard about fuel injectors getting dirty and the internal valves in the engine getting dirty. The 91 octane fuel has a detergent in there that will keep that clean. The 87 octane does not have that detergent, so it will not keep your engine as clean as the 91. I know that there's a price difference when it comes to the difference between 87 and the 91 octane, but believe me, it's well worth it if your car requires the better fuel to put that in your car. A lot of other things that you can do to help with fuel mileage. It's more and more important as prices of gasoline continue to rise. Make sure that your tires are properly inflated. That will make a huge difference on your fuel mileage. Alignment issues are also cause problems for fuel mileage. And if you're toting around a bunch of stuff in your trunk, or if you have a rack on top of your car, that's also going to affect your fuel mileage. So that's just a few tips that you can take to get better fuel mileage and to make sure that your car continues to run properly. As always, if you have any questions, we're happy to talk to you about it. You can visit us here at 1193 Portland Street. You can visit us online at wesward.com or like us on Facebook, and we have all of this there as well. Thank you.